Good evening, Ms. Moore. My presentation is on Jim Beam Company. What is the company? Jim Beam is an American brand of bourbon whiskey produced in Kentucky. Founded by Jacob Beam, who used the ingredient bourbon, which was also founded in Kentucky, became a key impact to Beam's success. In 1795, Jacob Beam served his first batch of bourbon, which led to the future of a family business that now has the world's #1 bourbon. Jim Beam is still a continuous business and is gradually inclining each year. In 2014, the company was then changed to Beam Suntory. Business environment. At Beam Suntory Company, the environment plays an essential role in the company's success. In the company, everyone is family. The company treats the employees with much respect as well as holds every employee accountable. Beam Suntory is a company that makes you proud to come to work and makes you love the job. Beam Suntory does a great job as making sure the company is a very comfortable company. They make the company still have that family-oriented value, which is what Jim Beam family did and wanted. They also connected this to the motivating employee lesson, as we could see Maslow's, Hawthorne, and McGregor's theories play all out in their company. More about the environment. Beam Suntory has many values, commitments, and principles which make their company a successful company. Beam Suntory was also ranked 35th in Great Place to Work, which instills that the company is a very great company and has much to offer. Beam Suntory has a global and competitive business environment. Beam Suntory can also be placed in the category of social business environment. Beam Suntory sets their company on values and trust, which makes their company a great business environment. Without a good business environment and plan, how could the business be successful? As we talked about the business environment factors, the Beam Suntory company goes into the global and competitive. They go into that factor because the Beam Suntory company goes against many other companies that serve the same product. And as they sell those products, they sell them all across the world, so they are very global. Beam Suntory fit into the social factors because many times the employees have to sell the products to the best of their ability, which then means they have to be very sociable and social. History of the company. As already talked about, the history of this company is very simple. Beam Suntory was given the name, merging the #1 bourbon, Jim Beam, with the Japan whiskey, Suntory. Beam Suntory being very global helps with their producing and company a lot. At Beam Suntory, they make a lot of changes but likes to keep things the way it is. Beam Suntory is a very growing company, but with their company, they like to keep some things the way it is. The joining of the names was a very clever idea, and I feel like it helped the company marketing and promotion. Taking both #1 drinks from America and Japan helps a lot because that's marketing for both parties. More history about the company. The company has not made that many cultural changes, but a lot of technology change. With the company being a family oriented company and passed down generations to generations, the company was less likely to make culture changes. The company has updated their technology by incorporating manufacturing into their marketing. Beam Suntory uses digital manufacturing to change business models, and this helps improve logistics and their updated technology. As said in the slide before, they like to keep things the same. Beam Suntory has not changed the culture of the company, but their technology has definitely grown. Making their manufacturing digital is a huge benefit that puts them in a great spot. Digital manufacturing focuses on the customer, enhances safety, and has a higher quality of products. All of these factors is a reason why Beam Satori made the change and has been successful since they made the change. The company growth. Beam Satori has grown a lot over time. Beam Satori has successfully grown in the marketing field. With the Jim Beam brand being so popular, that definitely gave Beam Satori great insight from people. Beam Satori had a double-digit growth in the US, Canada, and Middle East since 2019 in marketing and global travel retail. Key factors of this growth was securing supply chain, meeting consumer needs, and seeking long-term with trends that help the company with their marketing. As I said before, Beam Satori is a great company who grows gradually in many areas. Being a company who is open to growing and seeking room for improvement is bound to be successful in some way. Beam Satori shows us that as they use factors and tools to make their marketing substantial, they had growth in that area, which is a good thing just because they used those tools and those factors which helped them and pushed them along the way. Marketing strategies. Beam Satori uses many marketing strategies. As mentioned before, part of their success in marketing came from nationally trends that they applied to their company. Beam Satori drives their marketing being digital enabled and using tools such as e-commerce. The company also used things such as advertisement and social media as a marketing tool. However, COVID made them change this strategy. This makes their company very successful because it makes the company ahead of competitors and up to date with things that can help their company. Marketing is a very huge component to Beam Satori's success. Beam Satori uses all kind of marketing strategies, as said, but with their technology rising and growing, they choose to use e-commerce, which is a very helpful marketing strategy. As we all know, COVID hit many companies in many ways, and Beam Satori marketing got hit hard by it. With social media and TV advertisements changing their perspective with COVID commercials and alerts, Beam Satori advertisement and marketing went into the shadow. However, them being on top of trends and other social entities puts them in a good position to know what's going on and what they can use to entreat their customers and consumers to benefit them. Management. The management environment at Beam Satori is very well. Beam Satori uses a democratic management style. Beam Satori relies on the entire company to make the company successful and are also open to ideas from employees in the company. Beam Satori uses a corporation legal structure as they are a multinational corporation. Beam Satori democratic management style is also another reason why Beam Satori is a high company. With them being open to ideas and having an ear from every employee creativity, the company builds the foundation and helps the company hugely. Their legal structure being a multinational corporation helps with revenue, capitalizes on public assets, and builds a program around to deliver the community benefit. Company influential. This company is very influential because the foundation the company is ran on is a great example for many up and coming CEOs or managers to look and see how the company works and run their business. With the company also growing through consumer connections and entrepreneurial spirit, you can definitely tell they take pride in making the humans who buy their product come back for more, as well as make their experience for a Jim Beam a good one. And these are my references, and thank you for your time.